ladies, well, if I'm not over me, can I carry money to the Peter one do over the I told the Whoa! Viewers and subscribers, Marian Hall, Mumma saw the queen of the dance hall. You saw no whirlwind people stay. You saw no never stop on no hall and drag and tote Marian Hall, doubted her. Seeing no found no. Probably did all make bet money already. Put on no money. Say, Lady Saw go come back in a dance hall. Foota Hype one of the main advocate for Lady Saw to come back into the dancehall arena. And also many others. But the most notable, Foota Hype. No Lady Saw just post on her Instagram or Facebook, wherever. And say, who know, all burly and want get up and lick. And galang with no bag of lifestyle. Force her, taunt her, dare her. And see it there will never stop until you compel Marian Hall to step away from her pulpit. Now, did it state that she's coming back to dancehall? As far as how me I see it right now, that seems like a hint, and I'm going to just deal with it as if it's just an hint. But if my hint and my hunch is as large as the other rest of people them who they're on the side of you coming back, I would say, yes, Lady Saw, it look like you make a comeback. This look like a setup for a great comeback. Think about it. Lady Saw probably have years of records store up in our secret private stash. Just a wait. And when she look out there in the dancehall arena and see who they dominate the space, and when she really think to herself and say, hold on man, but none of them girls are not do nothing why. Me better than them still. Me still see say them locking. And the only thing I can fill the gap there is Lady Saw. If him left on no mic, the only fault me happy treat it, me possess with it. Any, we get it, happy still. Well, if I'm not over me, can I carry money to the Peter one do over the I told the Whoa! Hey, Lady Saw, me can't wait for seeing your heels on. Achoo! Yeah, we just see every day about sleeves a while ago. Yachoo! Lady Saw, you see a world around out here. The other day, I see one pastor youth, young enough adult, say him the pastor in the dance hall, and I see video circulate with the pastor in a numerous parties in and around the Kingston and St. Andrew area. You have people like Papa San, you have people like Lieutenant Stitchy, who left from the dance hall, baptized, going to them church, and from them time till now, them been able to keep themselves following the teaching of Christ and living up to that lifestyle. Until it reached to a point where Lady Saw said that it's her time to go in the church. And then she said, Minister Marian Hall. In the realest way, Minister Marian Hall. Like how you hear about Shirley Caesar, and somebody named the Sister Marian Hall. She came and she did a couple songs, in worship of God and the whole Christianity energy. And in all honesty, when Sister Marian Hall began doing Christian music, in worship of Christ and the whole Christian faith, glorifying her God, to be honest, we never see take off. We never see hot and popular like how you don't see a Spice hot and popular, a Jada Kingdom hot and popular, a Shensia. I tell everybody if you lick, oh, be boom, boom. I don't see no hip hop artists that want to collaborate with a Queen Ifrica. Look how we try to make it look like Queen Ifrica voice is not valid in this day and age. And see it then now, because of all I want to go on and all ladies I feel like she have to come step in the dancehall space. She have to come stamp back our dominance in the dancehall space because the females them probably I lose it. But to each his own. And me not there fi tear down nobody. Me not there fi act as if me better than nobody. Ladies all just come and say, hey, you see all you? Move on this, go over this, go one side. You, go up. You look a picnic, go one side. But me I come back, come stamp me dominance and show you how it's done. In the realest way, the man them always seems like them a dominate the space of dancehall. And if you look on the whole scheme of dancehall music as it relates to our global share in the music industry, there are a few players who still able to maintain a certain heights in the business. Their name holds a certain leverage, pulling power. Those artists can go out there in the world and full a venue and receive a large or a comfortable sum of money. Them Beanie Man level, them Bounty Killer level, them Shaggy, them Sean Paul level, Conscience level, in the realest way. Not for uno fans, for uno artists, want to love and rate, and want to listen to their music. Every day your artist drop a new song. Them artists there. Name now call like a Charlie Black's name out there in the world. So right now, ladies are come back for your space. Stamp our dominance and show you who is boss in the realest way. Ladies are track record speaking. Say, she will go among any dancehall artist on a show, a line up of artists, name them, and still go out there and dominate over everybody. She has that ability. Uno never stop. Uno never stop until uno make Sister Marian Hall have a step away from her pulpit. You see all you spice, we are going like you are the boss, and you are the only queen, the brainy. Hey, see you Shensi, you wanna behave yourself, little girl. When you should only have manners and sit down in a class and learn. You are going, wait man. Are you Jada Kingdom? Alright. Hey! Ladies are ready for no man. You know me I think to myself and me I say, since the pandemic come in and you know, a whole heap of people are get laid off, less job, more money spending, you don't know because you still have to maintain your livelihood, so you go to spend more money more than what you make, you know. That can even be a reason why Lady Saw want to put back a foot in a dancehall, because Lady Saw, she has her name. Lady Saw in a league by herself. So you don't know if she come back and say she want to do Lady Saw again. That's a revenue stream that she can tap back into in the realest way, and you don't know, make some money. So that may be one of the reasons why Lady Saw actually, you know, mark back the dancehall register, present in a class. In the realest way. And you don't know, Lady Saw is an A student in the dancehall class. She didn't put on her crown. She just did get up and walk off of the throne. In the realest way, you see it? Because see the devoted Christian them I know. Boy! Viewers and subscribers, Marian Hall, Lady Saw, the queen of the dance hall, make a post for social media. Say she has stepped away from her pulpit. And the whole dancehall world coming to life. I never know say when go take all of this to bring back some form of exuberance of energy to dancehall. And a Lady Saw, because Lady Saw say she have put on the pulpit. She didn't say she have put on the Bible, you know. She said she have stepped from the pulpit. Because all of who know, when them ready to sit down and lap frack tail, you know, and start talk on Lady Saw never did real from morning. And Lady Saw did responsible for crucify Jesus Christ. While of skin out past stage. And she no better than Spice. She no better Shensia. All the man them at churches see a lap frack tail too. Cause everybody love passa. Everybody love drama. So you know say the whole Christian community go start bash. All Spice she She can't wait. You hear she a talk about if they just mention the S in her spite. She can't wait to start lash out and dash her wood. Shensia, you better glad say lady saw like you. Because to me, every other female I talk about lady saw, if lady saw is really that type of person, you know, you better glad say you're there on our good side. Rumors, there hasn't been any official confirmation, but all the hints are hinting in that direction. Say Mumma saw I come back for your tune. Mumma saw step from her pulpit and gone back for her tune. Yeah. Until next time, big up on yourself. So see, do you have something more you want to say?
You know we born bad mind and we born corruption.
Subscribe, click the notification bell. Never forget to leave a comment. Share this with everybody in your contact list. Until next time, walk good.